Good day, my friends. Walter here. This is part 2 on my battery charger box assembly. I'll show you basically what I did to install this thing. I took this piece of scrap channel iron made out of aluminum, cut off 12 inches, didn't do a good job of it, but it's going to be behind there. Anchored it to this square stock with 3 sheet metal screws. It's pretty solid. I drilled 2 holes down through here. The box just sits up there with 2 big bolts down through here and 2 bolts through here. It's pretty steady. Now I've taken it back off to wire brush it and sand it a little bit. Clean it up so I can put a coat of paint on it. Alright, I got some Krylon metallic aluminum metallic. Guess I should paint the inside first. Somebody pointed out the fact that bolting steel to aluminum would set up electrolysis, and I hadn't thought about that. So I put a rubber gasket between the metal box and the aluminum top and bottom. Maybe that'll help some. Tighten these bolts up and then put my handle on. Think about where to drill my hole for my battery charger. Now we just need a hole through the wall for the battery cables. I'll let the paint dry just a little more. Alright friends, we have our battery charger. We have our battery charger box. We've walled out a big hole here for the plug. And we drilled a hole through the wall right there. Let's put it in there, at least try. Serious juggling, but I got my wires through the holes. Alright, it's not perfect, but I got my box in there. I got my extra footage. I only got a couple feet hanging out here. I didn't run the whole cord. Out. I don't want it dragging in the water. Now I got to go up there and hook the batteries back up to these two, close the lid, come down here and plug it in and make sure it's charging. Got them both hooked up. I didn't drill a hole for this bilge pump yet, but we'll check it out when we get by the lake. By George, I got my charger in out of the weather. Alright, when I plug in this extension cord, it should light up. A little bit of scratches on my door. Don't know how I done it, but see if we get just a little more paint out of this can. Cover that scratch up anyway. Yep, Z charging. Put a little tape on here and we're in business. I was up at Lake Lanier one day. Oh, years ago. I ran into a man named Junior Samples in his bass boat. Talked to him for quite a while. And if he was here today, he would write a sign right on here called BR 549. I guarantee you. That concludes my video. I appreciate you watching, my friends.